Then we've got the 4th, eh?
Yes. And maybe 5th and 6th. Road's a bit rutty there, eh?
A bit. Felt a bit hard in the tyres, eh?
Aye, very hard. So, yesterday was the first day of using your cardio, or cardo.
Yes.
You call it cardio because of the gym. How did you find it?
I found it exceptionally good. Very clear.
Yeah.
When the volume went up. Till then, it was absolutely fine.
And
Quality bits better than the Senna.
better than the Senna. That was leading on to my next question.
Yep, absolutely.
So it has Dusty's seal of approval.
100%.
Without having the earplugs in, I can hear a lot more wind noise. I
Your
don't.
tinnitus.
Yeah.
If you look, I've got it on my iPhone, at what the actual decibel level was yesterday, right, and it was nearly at max.
It's a bit blowy though, eh?
Aye, a wee bit, eh? I don't mind the wind.
No, near there.
Don't bother me. Usually riding my push bike in the wind,
Yeah.
like leaning like that, across the Forth Bridge.
Aye, to counterbalance yourself.
It wasn't until you were older you were thinking, that looks crazy.
I put my Oxford bag on today.
But it's
I forgot to.
very professional.
Aye. I forgot to stick it on yesterday. I just use that little bag when I'm commuting to work, because I stick it to the inside.
Dead easy to put on and take off.
Aye, it clips in and off, no bother. But with my other bag, my Jivvy bag, I stick that to the inside of my locker, eh? A wee bit cooler up here in the hills, eh?
It always is. It's not coming this way, but the roads are always clearer than going the other way.
Yeah. Awfully smelly shite, eh? You smell it?
It's not me.
No, it's not me either. That's what the smell is, that'll be the...
Oh, that's a dump, innit?
Aye,
See.
yeah.
Aye, it is.
I'm going to miss my bike over the winter.
No.
But I'm not taking it out in the salt, no way.
Once I sort this, right, I'm just going to fucking work like fuck. Oh yeah, fuck it.
That was close.
Just gave the thumbs up, you fucking idiot. I wasn't overtaking him there, eh?
Aye, just as well, Alec. You would have been cuttings. We always get stuck at these lights when we come up here.
No. That's a cracking baker's in there.
Is it?
Aye, just in there. I watch this corner for bumps.
Bumpity bumps. Oh aye, fucking hell, look at it. Jesus fuck, man.
Yeah, man, I know.
Liberton.
Nice wee place, eh?
Aye.
I like a wee bungalow like that.
Yeah.
Well, I want my garage built into the house, if you know what I mean. Not separate.
Yeah. Aye, I'd like a wee bungalow as well. Save me buying a chairlift when I get old. Whoa. Fucking dead rabbit. Nothing worse, eh? Sliding on a dead rabbit.
Okay. How did you come off your bike and hit a dead rabbit?
Right.
Yeah, absolutely. Right, we've got two choices. We could go right to Abbington, or left and go into the little red barn and then go into Edinburgh and back.
Aye. Left.
What do you fancy? Left.
Go left.
We changed here, I've never been there.
Yeah, likewise.
I've been there but fucking a long time ago.
Well, I've never been there. Now, we were here a few times in the summer.
Right, there's our chips there.
And our chippy just up there. Oh, itchy nose. Aye, we've been quite lucky with the weather this weekend, I must admit.
Hey, well, we've been about a wee bit.
Speak for yourself. You slag. The big red barn. Here we are.
What did we get there?
I don't know. Our entrance, keep going, keep going. Just up here on the right. I'm looking forward to my brekkie. Just parking here.
Aye.
The big red barn. Well, time for brekkie, eh?
Absolutely. Oh!
Couple of bikers as well. Good morning, boys.
Tiger.
Yeah.
BMW.
Right, let's sample the delights. Well, the big red barn, the menu was absolutely terrible. So if you like your fatty foods and your traditional cooked breakfasts, don't come here.
Got it?
Aye. I never had the mic plugged in because I'm a knob.
A posh word for your dick.
Aye. Aye. Anyway, that big red barn, that was rubbish.
Shite.
Absolute rubbish.
Absolute shite. Even I was starting to...
Yeah. The menu wasn't very good, but there wasn't a menu as such.
That was crap.
It's a shame.
Until that fucking...
Artisan pish. It's a shame because that could have been a good biker's cafe. Even if you took kids there, there's nothing for the kids.
Nah, absolute fuck all.
You know, children like...
That's a... You go there once and you don't go back.
Aye, children like burger and chips and fish and chips and all that stuff.
It's immaculate too.
I know, the place was beautiful, but the menu...
Do you want me to come and help you with the menu? I says, nah, it's alright.
I would have said I could give you a hand with the menu and tell you to ditch it. Oh, that was disappointing.
What is it?
Itchy nose.
You got a better fucking menu in that BP garage.
Most definitely. Oh well. At least we didn't spend any money.
Starbucks, here we come.
Yes, Starbucks. I don't know, it's a toss up between a bacon roll and a cheese toasty. Or a cheese and ham toasty.
Just have one of each. Still a 40 limit.
Yes.
Is it?
Aye, they're reducing the speed limits everywhere, eh? An absolute joke.
That's a good thing about the BMW, always give you the speed limit that you were in. 40. 60, here we go.
Moo. We'll see how long this new surface lasts for, eh? Before it's all rutted to fuck again.
Still do it right.
Nah.
It's you said utility companies will turn up and dig a big fucking trench.
Yep. Aye, they're good at that. And then putting a substandard patch back in.
Yep.
They fuck off, the patch sinks. And then potholes galore. Because they're cowboys. And the councils let them away with it. And it's a taxpayer, it's you and I, that foots the bill to fix their fuck ups. And even at that, they don't fix them properly, they just patch them. And then within days, they're rutted again. So it's a never ending cycle. See it every day, Alec. See it every day at work.
The mill and
The mill
never open.
Maybe shut down. Maybe they had a shite menu as well.
I just couldn't see anything. I thought I want.
Nah, there was nothing on that menu that jumped out. The only thing that was appealing was a potty tea.
Breakfast and it was finished.
Yeah. Even that, the breakfast didn't look that clever. Oh, look at that car.
Come on. Just a way to say that to you.
Somebody's made a boo-boo. Isn't it half? That is absolutely totaled.
Bunch of holes.
This service is terrible. That's the same guys again. They must have done the same as us. Stuck their head in and went, nah, fuck this.
Fuck that.
We'll go to Abbington.
I've left.
Hello. You want to stick it up the front? Is there a space up there? Or dead ahead where we normally go, eh?
Just little space there. I do.
Lovely jubbly.
Oh.
Lovely jubbly. Aye, that's a bit of a spirited ride. You like that one?
Oh, aye. Touring mode off today.
Yes.
Probably our last day this year, so.
I think so. Aye, right, this is Abbington. And we'll go for a Starbucks.
Take your keys out, eh?
I've got them in my pocket. His bonnet's open.
We saw the dent.
Aye, he's got it tied down.
That's not going anywhere, that's rims and everything there.
Aye, right, let's go for a cough.